Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has described popular opposition leader Nelson Chamisa as an immature and self-centered man who should be a goat herder. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, so we'll give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. The Harare East by-elections have afforded us an opportunity to correct and restore the political status quo and correct the mistakes of the August 2023 elections, Chiwenga said. This opportunity must not be misused because our wars would not end. He told the ZANU-PF supporters to remember that April 28th, a day after the by-elections, was the day that marked the beginning of the liberation struggle. In today's news, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga says there is no place for Chamisa in our politics. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.